Hey everyone, welcome to a Roblox video where today I'm gonna be playing a game. I'm not actually sure what yet because we have Theme Park Tycoon Booga Booga Royal High where I didn't upload the video because it was really cringy. I named it Rollerhead Cringe. I didn't upload it though. So we're gonna play Theme Park Tycoon. I'm actually sick right now, so I might be coughing a lot. Just saying. And I'm drinking hot chocolate, so if I pause, you know why. Hot chocolate is so good. Oh my gosh. What? No, wait, what? No, no, no. I've already installed Roblox. What are you talking about? I've already installed Roblox. What is this doing? Okay, there we go. I was like, I've already installed, okay, I've already installed Roblox. I've already installed the Roblox. What? What? That doesn't make sense. I've already installed Roblox. Oh, there we go, play. Yeah. Click, play. Click, play. Okay, wait. Almost waiting, see? Run. Okay, now it's working, I guess. Well, I'll see you guys when this finishes loading. I've already installed this. Why? Oh my gosh, it's almost there, guys. This is taking forever, though. I don't know why. Yay. Okay, this is very confusing. It says you're moments away from getting into the game. Download and install Roblox. Well, I just installed this. Okay, that's better. Okay, guys, so I'm officially in the game now. There were little glitches on the way, but you know, we made it. We made it. Interesting part. So, okay. Alrighty. To build the track to this ride. Mm, okay, let's claim my bonus. Okay. Alright, let's get on the vintage cars. Perfect, yeah. Here we go. I'm ready for this to start. How do I do this ride? Ride. Can I use the right track? Colors, thoughts, operations, target speed, yeah. I don't care about the beautiful color. I just really care about making this thing. This is not working. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to destroy this ride because it's not working. Yeah. Yes. Perfect. Okay. I don't think I really liked that one. Let's go ahead and make a different ride. Might do Ferris wheel. Wow. Ferris wheel? Yeah. Oh yeah. Don't I do W to like W or F? What do I do to rotate this? Rotate. Perfect. This will be my ride now. Damn. I need more money. Rollercoaster. Let's go ahead and Well, it's not letting me change my camera view, so I can't really see what's going on here. So yeah, I just need to come. We need to continue this ride track. Oh. I want a ride that already has its track, and I also hate how this camera view is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so let's do something that's already. Yes. Okay, so we need a queue path right here, and a normal path right here, and yeah. No, no, there. Well, it kind of won't let me build an entrance or an exit. No, no, no. Missed it. I'll be back when it's down. Perfect. Okay, we'll take a seat. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I'm terrified of heights, so. Totally am not terrified. How much higher do we go? Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, and I'll see you later.